Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with heat and concentration. Bring 4 cups water to a near boil, add 2 tea bags or 2 tablespoons loose tea, and steep for 5 minutes for a robust base. Once done, remove the leaves or bags so tannins stop extracting. This prevents bitterness. While still hot, dissolve your sweetener, 2 tablespoons sugar or 1/4 cup honey, because sugar integrates better in heat. Make sure to taste now, because this controls the final sweetness and strength of your iced tea with milk. You move on to cooling and flavor layering. Once the hot tea has stopped steaming, transfer it to a heatproof pitcher and let it rest 10-15 minutes at room temperature to avoid shock when adding cold elements. Then choose. Add ice for rapid chill or refrigerate 30-45 minutes for clearer tea. If you want nuance, add a thin slice of lemon or a cinnamon stick before cooling. This lets volatile aromatics infuse gently. Make sure to avoid over-diluting with too much ice. You finish by integrating milk carefully. Use cold whole milk or a milk alternative, about 1/4 to 1/2 cup per 4 cups tea, depending on desired creaminess. Once the tea is chilled, pour milk slowly over ice and stir gently to create a smooth, even color. Rapid agitation can froth the drink. If you've added citrus earlier, make sure acidity is low before adding milk. Curdling can occur, so reduce lemon or use an alternative like.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.